Hello everyone, I just wanted to give you a little update on last time's 24 September incident where 12 armed forces burst into one of our villagers' house and took him away around 1 o'clock in the morning and then brought him back around 6 o'clock in the morning, right? So regarding that, we went to our local police station. This is Loren TP outpost, and then we went to where Hauragat also, Hauragat OC, we met him also and we gave him everything in written what happened. So then the Loren TP IC called me and then she said, we went to meet her. So she said, it seems all this armed force was sent by SP. So we said, okay, then if those armed force were sent by SP, then there must be some reason. So we wanted to know. But then anyways, she said, SP sent, then we kept quiet and said, it's okay then. But then after I reached home, IC called me back and told me that SP wants to see us. So we went next day. We didn't know why he called us, but then we wanted to meet him. So thinking that, that he will explain to us, because since we are civilians, obviously we will be scared, and our villagers, they will be scared, because in our village we are very strict. We do not allow any antisocial activities. We do not allow any illegal activities in our village. So because of that, we wanted to go to, since SP called us, we went there, thinking that, expecting that he will, tell us the reason why he, sent those armed forces, and then that we should not be scared, okay? So we went, we met him, and when we met him, he was so rude to us. He was yelling and screaming and he said, why do we have to, make videos like that? Obviously, we didn't know who sent them. We didn't know. So we need an answer. They said, you should have come to us like that. Well, trust me, if we had known that the SP is so unapproachable like this, we would have never gone there. I thought that SP will meet the SP and SP will explain to us and then tell us, not to worry. And as a Gambura, he will give us awareness that if next time, anything comes like that, please cooperate. And then if any illegal activities, if you come to know, you tell us. I thought he'll say like that, but he was instead he's like, why are you interfering? And then what is the problem? Why do you have to be scared like that? Sir, we will be scared, not because we are civilians. We have no idea about those armed forces. We're not used to. If someone's come at, not even armed forces, even our own friends also, if suddenly he comes to our house around late at night and then just, without any explanation, if they take us in the jungle, we will be scared. Forget about the armed force. So this is one thing really troubled me. We wanted to ask from him. We wanted to know what happened, or even as a Gambura house, as a village headman, actually we wanted to know what information they got, so that next time if anything happened, we would go to him personally and tell him, or we will report if any illegal activities going on in the village, if any antisocial activities going in the village, we will surely report it to the police. So with all this expectation, we went to him, but instead he was threatening us. So instead of explaining to us, instead of telling us or make us aware, he was so angry with us. In fact, he was telling us that he will next time if we interfere, he will catch us as well. We're not there to interfere his work, anything. In fact, we wanted to know what information he got, and then as a village headman, what we should be aware of. If anything's like that, then we should know, right? Then he said, I got information that there are 2 guys with arms roaming around like that. So if it's like that, then this is very scary for the villagers also. So if anything like that, then we want to know, and then we want to give awareness to our villagers also, that if anybody comes to know like that, inform the police, or inform us, or inform the police. We wanted to say that only. But then the sir was so rude to us. Seriously, I really didn't expect this. I thought we'll meet our SP and tell us that if anything happened like that, we got this news, that's why we send those armed forces. If you hear anything like that, you let us know. And if anyone sees any kind of armed men going around like that, inform the police, so you don't have to be scared. We thought like that, but he was yelling at us, he was screaming at us, he was like that was like very rude. Sir, we are only civilians here. We just came to your office because you called us, and we really thought that you'll explain to us properly. Without, like, you didn't let us speak also. You didn't even, you didn't let us speak to you. We really wanted to speak to you very nicely, sir. We wanted to, explain to you why we came, and then why we, you called us, of course, but then, like, even if you don't call, we really wanted to anyway meet you. So because of that only, sir. And then the way you really, behave with us last time, it will be very difficult for us to even approach you next time. We will think 10 times, because we don't like to get shouted unnecessarily, because we are responsible citizens. In our village, we are very strict. We don't encourage anyone to indulge into any anti-social activities or any illegal activities. We do not encourage anyone. If we come to know anybody, we will give them to the police. We will catch them, we will inform the police, and then we will hand them over to the police. So this is one thing that we really wanted to know, exactly what happened, why he was taken and all. So I don't know, sir, you were so angry last time. If possible, please, we want to talk to you one more time. If you don't yell and scream at us, we really want to explain to you, and we need some kind of awareness from you also, that you will, if any kinds of illegal activities, it happens in the village, like how should we approach you and how should we approach the police? Because sometimes even if we make phone calls and all, it gets busy, something like that in emergency situation. Because if you say that they have seen, they got information about 2 armed men roaming in our village, so it's a very serious situation. So we are scared. We are scared. So in the situation, if emergency situation comes, what should we do? So we need some kind of awareness like that. So that's all we wanted to. We didn't want to interfere in your work. In fact, we want to assist you, sir. We didn't want any obstacle. We are very much aware of the law and order. So because of that, we came to you last time. But the way you shouted at us, it was like a very very disheartening for us. If at all possible, we want to meet sir one more time. We'll just want to come and see you. We want to talk to you, sir. So that's all.